Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing assignments. Assignments is not real assignments, but it is a very long assignment that I'm going to do. It is not assignment, it is report. So I have to write a report and I have to do some C programming steps. I do not know C programming that much, but I'm the first year or the first semester of engineering, so I have to do it. And let me start right without any delay. So basically here are some of the exercises, and before making the exercises I have to make the template of this thing, okay? So what the heck is this? This is a report cover. Now I've made a directory of computer, right? And I've made a text file, report cover. I'm going to do everything in LaTeX because I just like LaTeX. I do not use any what you see is what you get text editor. So basically that is the case. Now you have to design a cover base at first, right? So here is my template right there. So you cannot see it because it is in my lap. I just noted it, so I'm gonna do that the same thing the teacher did in Word in LaTeX. So, and that's not going to be a problem. So the first thing that I'm going to specify is title. Title is basically my university name. So what is the university spelling? University. All right. So the other one is author, and I'm going to use this for Institute of Engineering. So basically, I'm going to use this one. This one should be date. Okay, I'm going to use this one for my college name. So campus. Oh shit, campus. All right. So I'm going to make title. So this is the thing that I'm going to do here, LLP start preview in order to do the live preview. It is just night mode. I do not really like the night mode, but it's okay. Right, so here is another requirement that I would say by the teacher is that the font should be the Times New Roman. So I'm going to use package math PTMX. I forgot the package name sometimes. I do it. So basically it has changed the font near to Times New Roman, and that's what I'm gonna do now. So the other thing that I'm gonna do is remove this one right here. This is one, so I do not need it. So in order to do that, I'm just yanking this line up, and I'm gonna do fancy as dr, and this page style empty. To remove the page number. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use another package. I'm going to use stitch, right, in order to draw the figure. So basically it is going to take some time to draw a figure. Picture really. So here I'm going to specify draw help lines. First help lines are to be drawn from 0 to maybe a grid. It's going to draw grid to maybe 3, right? 3 and 7 maybe. It should be just okay. It's not drawing. Why is that? I do not know why is that, but yeah. All right. What is happening right here? It is not drawing. Sometimes it does not work. Why it does not work? It is because what the heck it is happening. Picture. Oh shit. Picture. Alright. So it'll draw it. Sometimes it goes crazy. Another thing, begin center and center. So here, so I'm going to scale this up, scale 1.5 maybe. All right. So yeah, that's fine. So what I'm going to do is to draw very thick. I'm going to draw very thick lines from 0 to maybe 0.7, the first one. I'm going to yank the same thing over and over again, and not really. So I'm going to do from 0.1 to 0.6, right? And that's going to be fine. Is it 1, 2, or 6 and 1.5 maybe. 1.5 2. It's going to be from 0 to 1.5 7. I'm going to yank the line and paste it into, okay, it's going to be 4, and it's going to be 4. So basically this case 4 is a little bit farther, 3. Okay, yeah, that's it. I'm going to remove this outline. So I've done that. So after I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another one that is here, the subject, C programming, experiment number, something like that. I'm going to write it. So begin. I'm going to begin flush. I'm not going to begin. No, I'm going to center it. Center F5. So here, what I'm going to write is subject. Okay, subject, maybe bold. BF subject, and I'm gonna yank it. So another thing that I'm gonna write is here experiment number. So yank it and do the same thing here. Experiment number and title. So TIDL and title. This is it. These are the 3 things that are needed. Alright, so after doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start another environment that is going to require a package. So you're going to do like yank this thing, and here you're going to use tabular X package. So you're just going to do that. Begin tabular X, and you're going to have the text width. Why? Because I want the whole width to be, filled with that thing, and I want a vertical line too. So yeah, that's it. So end tabular X. Alright, so what I'm going to do is here it is date that is to be written, date, and the other way is submitted to, right? And the same thing here. And the other one is submitted by, and here is something department of computer engineering, maybe, right? So another one is name, right, and nothing. Program and nothing, and section and nothing, roll number and nothing. Alright, so that's it, right? I think you have to bold these things up, right? Okay, bolding is a little bit tricky here. So text BF. But what I can do is I'm going to use the power of Vim, because that's what it happens, right? But let me do it. Text BF. You can also use the power of Vim. So text BF. Maybe there are some shortcuts that I do not know about, but yeah, that's it, right? So there's some bolding going on there. It's not bolded. Why? Why it is not being bolded? Text BF. It should be bolded, right? No, it is not being bold. Why is that? So what was another? Submitted by text BF section and text BF roll number. Okay. Alright, it is not being bold. Maybe I'll just comment this out. Oh, what the heck? This one. Okay, that's working. So that's submitted to the Department of Computer Engineering and whatever it is. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna write the name because it is not gonna change, right? So I'm gonna write here my name. What the heck? Name and submitted by. What the fuck there? Submitted by. Submitted by name. Section is what is the section of mine? Section is BCT, AB, maybe 2007 IOE. Oh, what's my roll number? 024. So it's 24, right? So that's it. Oh shit. DT this one. Paste it real. DF4, DF4, and paste it. Alright, so that's it. Okay, let me do like this. Oh, that's nice and good, but I need a little bit of vertical space right there, so I'll do space of 1 centimeter maybe. Alright, so that's it. So this is nice and cool. I'm gonna move to the other page because I'm gonna page break right here. Alright, so page break, right. So after breaking the page, I'm gonna go to the other page. And the style of this page, I'm not written anything here. I'm gonna write section, and it is the background section. Right, so that's it, background. Now here, you can see the page number is quite not good because that's not the page number that I want. So what I'm going to do is set counter and turn the page counter to 1. So it'll, change that to 1. Why the heck it is not working? Set counter page to 1. Why the heck it is not working? I do not know why it is not working. But yeah, I think I have to place it right there. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Now section background. Alright. So there is something called background here. What I have to write is about character input output, string input output, format, specifier, flag, and everything. But before that, what I'm going to do is save this file. So it is saved. It is already saved. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this to a new report. So lab first.txt. So it's going to write it in lab first.txt. So MV, so yeah, lab, what the heck, where did it write, man? So whatever, it is easier to do like this, CP, report the cover, the text, and you can do lab, text, lab first, yeah, text, okay. So and then lab first text, or I can run Z LaTeX. Okay, it is Z LaTeX. Alright, so lab first text. Alright, so that's it. Section background, begin the live preview. Okay, it's working. Now, what I'm going to do is, here background is something that's to be written. But here background theory, character input output, string input output, format, specification, whatever the fucking thing I do not like about. So the thing that I'm going to do here is what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna write something about C programming because that is what it is told to do, right? So alright, so what I have to write about C programming. So what is C programming basically? C programming is basically C programming is defined as, okay, I do not know what is coming in my mind. I have to look to the internet, but it is going to be considered plagiarism. So I'll write myself, C is one of the most important programming language in the history of computing. Wow, what's my, I have a basically very good, English speaking skills, but not that good English writing skills. So basically, I'm writing that. So C is one of the most important. It is because the syntax of C in capital, because I have to respect C. C is followed everywhere, followed in almost, or inspired by in almost any programming language that exists till date. In this lab, we did the basics of C programming and did some exercises to enhance the knowledge of programming. I'm writing random things, but yeah, I think I have to start a description because it is going to be a little bit messy. So description. So begin description. The label should be what is the thing? Okay, character input output. Character input IO basically. Okay, so character input output. I have to write about character input output. So basically character input output. Character input output can be done with the help of the what character input output. I think I have to write character is one of the variable types in the C programming language. In character output, we use printf. I'm not gonna do it in the text, maybe ttt printf. We use printf. I think it is not shown that good, but yeah. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, in the real PDF. So in the character input, we use printf. Maybe some here, maybe C. All right, and I'm gonna write something like oh, this percent is not to be used like this because it is a comment in LaTeX. So C and C, where it should be a character variable. So here I have what I've done. Character variable, and here I have used, what the heck is happening, man? I cannot figure it out sometimes, really. I think this one is also to be written like this. Is it? Character, and even this one. Okay. So sometimes it is going to be some messy using LaTeX, but using LaTeX is fun because look at that, it's like magic. Transform this document. Here I have used the variable, character variable. Oh shit. Character, variable. Variable which has the C, oh what the fuck, okay, which has the percentage C identifier. It is a modifier. You can write in modifier, which has the to display the variable, right? In order to get or input the variable, we can use text tt again, and scanf and scanf what percent C and yeah, %C, and we can use this kind of %C, and what we can use %C. Oh shit. C, and even this is not rendered. Alright, it is going to be sometimes messy, but it is very cool to write these things, right? So scanf C, what was the thing? And we use and ampersand and shit. Oh no, variable where the variable is the address of the variable, and the input is going to be taken and placed at that address. I'm being really bored. Okay, string input output. What the fuck? String input output? Oh shit, string input output is yeah, so I have to write that. Input shit item is string IO. So basically string is treated as arrays, basically array, what the heck, arrays of the thing, what it is called, characters. In C we use the text TT, you know, what we use, we use the S modifier to define display or not define display or display or modify a character, modify a string in C programming. The similar approach may be used in order to do that similar to the character input output. Alright, so that's cool. So input format is with the specifier, precision specifier, conversion characters. What the heck? Format specifications. Format specification. Alright, format is specification. I have to write the format specification. So I do not know what to write in the format specification. I'll not write that because we weren't, told to do that. So I'll skip that shit. Limitation of scanf. We're not taught this. Limitation of scanf. Is there any limitation? Maybe there is. We need a space before the modifier. That's what I know. But formatted input output. Oh, right. So, but formatted input output is already here. Okay. So I think I have to, whatever to do. I'll just write formatted input output. Formatted input. Oh shit. Put output shit. Okay. Formatted input output. What I'm going to do is, in order to do this shit. What is formatted input output? I think I have to look at the internet. Alright, in the internet, maybe I can find or not, I do not know about that, but yeah. So formatted input output. Shit, the internet is gone. So look at it, disconnected. Shit. Even the electricity is gone. Maybe I'll restart this way and find out. Alright, it is also, gone. The line is gone. I'm going to say this is my country, so that's what it happens. So I cannot copy anything from the internet. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write it by hand. So character of the variable, oh shit, I've done something ugly right there. Okay, this modifier. So where's that character input output and print f, e, c and everything text tt. Alright, so what it has happened here, this character variable here, I've used this scanf here. Alright, yeah, we just want to use that thing here. We do not want. Alright, so sometimes it happens. Alright, even the variable spelling is mistake. Variable. So variable. Okay. Formatted input output. So formatted input output. Maybe I've written it somewhere, right? I think I've written it somewhere. So computer.text. What text? Note. No, I've not written. I thought I've written somewhere. Let me search, manually. Oh shit, what is it? So CD documents. Oh shit, man. So web computer. Yeah, computer note. Computer note.txt. Identifier. Oh, that is an ID. No. Right, the program is this is the assignment. Hey, formatted console input. Here I've written it already, man. Formatted console. I should copy it. Should I? Yeah, I should just copy it. I think. Right. So let me copy this. Like this. I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move to the upper page here. I'm gonna paste it with middle mouse button. What the heck? This mouse does not work. So paste it real quick. Alright. You're right. Here, I do not know what had happened. Okay. It is quite long, but yeah, it works. Simple shit. Simple shit. Okay. So save the document once. My CPU uses, it is, climbing up. It is 23%. Why it is 23%? Because I'm using a live preview. I don't use live preview that much, but yeah, that is what I have to use now. Alright, so this is, I think, what I have to write right here. Now I have to start doing coding things, right? The coding things are the favorite, maybe. I'm joking. Alright, so this one. Write a program to read a character using getcha, and display output using purge and other same. I think I have to move this here. Oh shit, what I've done. It is in the third one. Alright, so I'm gonna write the questions. Why doesn't it support Vim bindings right there? Oh shit, write a program to do this. Okay, now I have to write a program. In the description I'm gonna page break here. Page break. So I'm gonna page break. I can look at the preview right there. Right, so page number 1 is that. So page break, I'm gonna do here start section, maybe subsection or sectioning, whatever. I'm gonna write section, not section, yeah, section, questions, maybe questions, and start a subsection. So write a program to read a character using I'm going to use verbatim for this. Getcha and display using Pulch. Verbatim for this. Pulch. What the heck? Pulch what? Putch. I do not use a mouse, but this thing is forcing me to do that. Putch or shit. Pulchowk. Oh shit. Pulchowk. Okay, so this is the question that I have today. What the heck? Write a program to read a character using getChay and display using Pulchowk and put what the heck is that? So that is what the program looked like, but I do not know why the verbatim is not working right there. Okay, it is working, but there is a this kind of behavior is not expected from verbatim. Maybe because of this one. Is it? No, it is not because of that. I have to use text TT instead of verbatim maybe. But yeah, that is what it looks like. So text TT T, right? Change surrounding this one to this one. So then shortcut, so CIW text TT, and here change surrounding this to this. So now it's gonna behave the same way. Yeah, right. So it's doing great. Okay, now I have to do the code. So I want the code. But the thing is that the code is going to be listed. I'll do the verbatim for the code, but I do not really like verbatim the code. So I'll use a package, which is a very great package. So that is called use package. Use package. Shit, man, what the heck is happening? Listings package. Listings. Yeah, listings. It should be this. So LST set, it should be language is C. So I'll go to the bottom shit. Begin listing. Okay, I have to do LST listing. Maybe I've forgotten because last time I used it, it was very 1 year or 2 years ago. But yeah. Maybe I think it is right. So, I'm gonna write I want what frames would be single. I can specify top to bottom, but single is great, and yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, the code snippet. Now the code snippet is int. What is that? Int, not int. Include, right? So include. What the heck? Include stdio.add void main. Shit, here I'll type the whole code. Ah, look at that! It is formatted very good right there. So void main. Actually, I do not know C programming. The first thing, program to read a character using getChay or getChar and display. Using Putch. What the fuck? I do not know this. Should have to do it first, right? I have to do the thing first in order to know it. That is the thing. Oh shit. Alright, so I think I have to declare a variable, but I'll just do the C programming right there. And here I'll go to the same documents, LaTeX documents, because it's going to be easier. It is computer. So and then the code is this for what is putch whatever putch.c. So yeah, include stdio.h shit main int main, and oh shit, here what it is there, read a character using getChay. I'm guessing what kind of function is getChay. It'll just take a variable maybe. So read a character, it'll read a character A, okay, and read a character getChar, getChar or getChay, Get char maybe. Get char, yeah. Get char A. Oh shit, it is showing what? Too many arguments to function call, expected 0, what shit. Oh, then what it is gonna happen? Get char syntax? I do not know about get char syntax. Is there any C programming books in my computer? I don't know. C programming. Yeah, C programming. Get char. Alright. So get char. Nothing, it just pauses. Get char void into get char void into get char void get char. C is equal to get char. C is equal to get char. So this is what I want to do, right? So what you can do is A is equal to get char. Right, man. So this is the thing that I wanted, and you know, display that using Pulchowk, right? Pulchowk, right? So the name is a little bit confusing. Pulchowk. There is too few arguments. Pulchowk A. Okay. I think it'll run fine, but I do not know. I'll use Clang. Pulchowk. Okay, let me see. Pulchowk A. Hey, that's cool, man. So ls what's it, cat pulchowk.c. okay, I'll just wl copy. So I'll just copy it to the clipboard. So after copying this into the clipboard, I do not know I want this, and I'm just gonna paste it, and it is gonna work like charm. So that's cool. Now the output, the thing that I missed is the output, right? So output, yeah. Include the output here. So what should I do? Should I screenshot the output? And that is what I'm instructed to do. Yeah. So I'll screenshot the output, which is a funny thing to do actually. So in order to screenshot this, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open a terminal and remove all the PNG files here, because that is going to be mess. Every screenshot is going to be saved there. So yeah. So the other one is, where did I did the thing? Yeah. Pulchowk AA. So bash ls. So Pulchowk A. Alright, A. The new line is not been formed, but yeah, whatever it is. So print the screen, a reason. This is what I'm gonna print. So this is basically the thing. Shit. And cp from this one, all the PNG files to, you know, here. Okay, PNG. We've got the PNG. So I'm going to use another package that is called use package graphic X package. I'm going to go here. The output maybe here. Output. The output is going to be just include graphics. Should include graphics. Graphics. Oh, what the spelling is. Width is maybe 5 centimeters. All right. So I'm going to include what was the name of 2000? No, this shit is not showing suggestions. So I have to look at the 2021 06 14. Oh shit. 2021 21 is a bit of a work, so I'll just rename it MV 2021.jpg into code1.png. Code 1. Okay. So code1.png. Or is the thing right? Code 1, there's a underscore. Okay, let me look at that. The blank page, that means there's something wrong with this thing. Okay, I think this should work now. No, it is not compiling again. So where the thing is having problems with, I think MB code1.png, code.png. So I'll just change this to code.png. Save it. Just close this. I do not know what the error is, but lab first. It is a LaTeX, man. So include graphic, unable to load picture or the PDF file, include graphics with code.png. Here is code.png. Oh shit, I've copied it to a different file. So LaTeX documents, computer, ls, computer, code.png, computer. Oh shit. So this is not where my thing lies. Where is the code.png now? There is, but why is it not showing? ls, report cover, first text, computer. It does not have the code.png file. This is a different directory. Documents, LaTeX documents, documents, LaTeX documents, computer, documents, LaTeX documents, documents, LaTeX documents, computer. Same directory, but there is no any. Oh shit, I'm going to be ls, MV 2021. We have to work in the same terminal. This is going to be messy. Okay, 2021 MV 2021 here. So better I will use all of the things right there. Alright. So and then report cover lab first.text. Okay, now sometimes it happens. It just happens sometimes. We have to get through it, Alright. It'll show the suggestions now. I know that. I think, but it is not showing the suggestions. Okay, it has shown. Congratulations. Save it. Just start a live preview, but before doing that, vertical LLP. Okay, here I need. That is it. Let me do that. Okay, that's it. But the width is too small, so I'll just increase it. 5, I think. 15. Great, that's it. Okay, I think I'm gonna need this space here once in a minute. Oh, why is it not working, man? Oh, alright. Output is super cool. Output is not that super cool. It is 81 degrees Celsius because the surrounding temperature is too high. So I'll start the fan. The fan is, I have a cooling pad with me. So that's what I'm gonna do. What the hell is my cooling pad? Okay, cooling pad has started. I think there is something that I can do in order to reduce the temperature. Okay, the thing is, because I'm screencasting, I just forgot it. Because 80 degrees Celsius is too high. So screencasting is the problem. Okay, so that's not really an issue if I do not do the live picture preview. Okay, so I'll stop the live picture preview, save the document, enter, and I'll just do it just here. Okay, I'll just don't do the live picture preview now. I don't really need it because I've just figured out how it works. So alright, so subsection, the first is finished, right? So subsection, write a program to read a character using which one? Write a program to read a character and a string using scanf and display using printf. Write a program to read a string using scanf. I think I have to use text t scanf, and display using text ttt printf. Alright, so display using printf. Such a simple program. Yeah, that is simple. Yeah, whatever. The code is already here, everything is already here. I think I can just modify the other file, right? So that's it. I'll just do it here. So ls, here is nothing. I'll just leave this thing. I'm gonna do the C programming right there. And here, and then I'm gonna do you know what was the exercise? A program to read a character and a string using scanf. So it's scanf basically, scanf.c. So I'm gonna just paste the thing that I had here. Okay, there's nothing in the whatever it is. Okay, man. The only thing that I can do is just copy it, but copying it is a little bit slower than doing the actual coding. Include stdio.h. It is not that copying is hard as I'm saying it is easy, but I've not set up it. So int main. So yeah, scanf. So we're gonna need a character. We're gonna read a character. We're gonna read a character A. And we're going to need a string that is going to be a string of characters A, and that's going to be a string of 10 maybe. Okay, I'll just write a comment real quick here. Just a comment. 10 is just an arbitrary length of array, because it is just arbitrary length. It is just a random thing that comes in my mind. I'm just writing it. So yeah, character A10, and basically that's the case. Now after writing character A, character 10, what I can do is I can just CPU usage is rising because of the screencasting. Let me feel my laptop. It is 1 lakh rupees, so I cannot just, what the heck. It is too warm, man. It is too warm because of the screencasting that I'm doing here. You can just see here the users. Look at that. The cores are being used. 32% of CPU users due to screencasting. Oh shit, man. Why the Z-LaTeX is running right there? I'm gonna kill this thing. Just kill it, man. Just kill it. We do not need this Z-LaTeX. It is again running, man. Just kill it. Okay. I think. Yeah. It is just dropped. Alright. Okay. Maybe there is some disturbance in my sound now because the fan is running. Okay. So there may be some disturbances. So you know how to do it. Temperature is down 62%. So because of that task manager thing, right? So that's not really task management, but yeah. Okay. Seek terminate and seek kill. There are two things that is okay. Leave the thing. I'm going to concentrate in this thing. I'm just going to write printf, not printf. Read a character. Okay, yeah, printf. Printf. Write a character down below. I'm gonna just do a new line there. Oh shit, and what the heck is happening? Sometimes it happens. No HL. And I'm gonna do scanf. A character means a DC. Character, it is the address of A that I want. Okay, and scanf, and I want a string. Okay, I want a string of this thing, and it is going to be the history of A. It should be B. It is the same variable, so yeah. So I'm going to yank this and paste it here. Write a character, write a string. So yeah, scanf, and I have to print it, right? So printf the character you wrote is, you know, D modifier, no, C modifier, and the string you wrote is what is it? The string you wrote is I forgot it. C and S. Yeah, right. So first in A and second one is B. Maybe it'll run. So I think it should run basically. Okay. At this point I'm forgetting something that I have to write in the beginning of this thing. That is, you know, the thing about compilers and everything. But maybe I'll write it later after I've finished this thing. Alright. So printf the character you wrote is this one and this one. Okay, let me clang it. Clang. Oh. Clang scanf.c. This is really a mess. C scanf. Alright. So printf. Oh shit, man. Printf. Why there's no error being shown? Clang scanf. C that's O scanf. Okay, scanf. Write a character A. Write a string what? Character you wrote what? Hat? What the heck? I think you should not do this. Hat. Just for characters maybe. Clang scanf character what? Hat. String you wrote is hat. Why it is happening? I do not know what the heck it is happening. What and write and something like that. Maybe there's not a problem. String you wrote is, oh shit, man. It's B, right? But how did it work in the first place? Character, but argument type is char. Oh, char A, char B. Write a string down below. Argument type is char. Array and what the heck is happening? B maybe? It is B. Character B. Character. It should be 10, man. It should work. Why it isn't working? Char, but the argument has type char W format 1 warning. That is just a warning. I think it will run it. Scanf A what? Right. So this is it. This is the code. The first thing that I'm going to do, and I'm just going to copy cat, scan f.c to double copy. It'll copy that into clipboard, and I'm just going to paste it. Question. I've just written the question, and here is the code, and lst listing f5. lst listing, right? F5. This is night time, so there's some mistakes there. All right. It's quite a long program, man. It's quite a long program. So I have to screenshot this thing. So So in order to screenshot this, I think I have to do it with bash, because that is, you know, basically better output. Scanf a and what, right, that's it. So there is no any new line. Shit, I have to do it once again. Okay, scanf.c. So fs. So here is one line that is needed. So clang scanf.c, that's all scanf. So scanf. So write a character down below, a what, that's it. So this is super cool thing that I'm seeing right here. So I'm gonna print a screen, a region, and this one is what I want. Screen capture, the character you wrote is right. Okay. So that is the screen capture. So I can just close it, or I can just move it. I can just close it. So yeah. So the first thing that I'm going to do is move the thing that we have, all the JPEGs, PNG into here. So ls, we have 2 screenshots. Second one is the second one, maybe 2020. Yeah, right. And then, you know, lab first.text. Okay, it should be our code. Alright, screen include image 181909. So that's it, 181909. We have to include graphics, output vspace of 1 centimeters, and here include graphics, you know, width is width. What is the spelling of width? 15 centimeters, as is specified. 15 centimeter, and it is 20. Oh shit, 20. 80. Okay, the other one. All right, so that's it. So close it and just compile with GLatex. So lab first is going to be compiled here. So for live updates, I'm just going to use the lab first. Yeah. Okay. Alright, here, the thing that I was forgetting is I have to write even about compilers, and C programming is there, compilers and everything. But whatever it is. So yeah, this is the case. Output is here. A frame. I forgot to do the thing, the frame thing. Frame. Right, frame. You know where the heck is the thing? It is frames, frame, yeah. Frame is equal to single. Okay. Now do it and ella. Just compile lab first, LaTeX error, take PDF format and whatever it is. What is the LaTeX error that it is talking about? The thing that I hate about this thing is I do not like the live, you know. What is that? Okay. Wait for a second. I have some works to be done. Alright, that was some disturbance, and here I have some food. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat the food. It's quite hot. You cannot see me, but it is hot, really, believe me. Alright, So I'm going to stretch my back a little bit. Why the heck? I think I should not have written that in the same line. It's going to be a little bit better. So yeah. I can even run this here then. Yeah, I can even run this here and it is just an update. So delete data. Yeah, this should be updated here. Why it is not updated, man? Lab, what is it? PDF? Shit, lab first. Oh shit, what has happened here? Alright, the thing that I cannot figure it out is PDF. I do not know why it is not working, but yeah. Oh man, because of CPU I'm just, really here, doing this stuff, which is a big of a mess because I'm just recording this and I just do not want to record it. This one is the thing that I was looking for. I think I have to use a live preview because it is just being too much messy. Right. So what I can do is decrease the update time. So I'll just decrease the update time in the other tunnel. And then I'll just update time. And I'll just do it to 1500. It is going to be a little bit slower. The update is going to be a little bit slow, but it is going to work. So lab first.text. Okay. Stop live preview. Alright, that's what I want. Okay, now really the thing that I wanted is to have this thing found here. So F, this one is, yeah. Alright. Output is just done. Now the update is going to be real slow, okay? It's not going to be that fast. But the thing is, which I'm not understanding, the upper one does not have this, listing frame it is equal to single and frame it is equal to single. It is the same, but the space characters are being given here, not in the upper one. Why is that? Why is that like? Space characters down below. Oh yeah, I understood it. It is because inside of a string the space is also a character, which it is just showing that, right? The space is also a character inside of, you know, the thing that is called a string. So just clarifying that there is a space here, because look at here, you cannot just really find out whether there is a space or not, but if you use these, then you're gonna find out. So that's it. So, but the thing is, this is not good. What I can do is, you know, hit enter. They're saying even these are spaces, but they're not, right? Or whatever, it just works, right? I don't really know about the LST listings package, so I have to look it in the web for that, right? Or I can augment that. I think if there is in a LaTeX document, LST listings, no, there isn't. So yeah, I have to look at the web for this package. I think I have to phase break here. Alright, so if you think I'm pretty slow, then I'm just eating here, so it will be slow, because eating is one of the most important things to do in life, right? If you do not eat, then basically you're a useless person. The fan is just doing its, you know, thing. So yeah, let me eat a little bit. Now let me move to the other problem. Okay. Read a string using gets and display using puts. That's a real good shit. So gets C include the at and int main, do everything. Int main oh man, this one is too hot. I can always concentrate it. Int main read a string, write a string below. So I'll just write printf write write a string below. So specify character, right? Character is just the string, so again 10 is just arbitrary thing. Equal to gets, right? Gets and puts. Oh well, does it use an external library? I do not know about it. So I don't really know. Gets and puts. Okay. I think printf is not to be used here, but yeah, I'll use it. So yeah, clang gets.c gets error. Okay, character 10 is not assignable. Shit, why isn't it assignable? It should be assignable, right? Oh shit, man, I'm just stuck in the programming fleet. Aha. Write a program to read a string using gets and display using puts. What the fuck? Okay. Let me look up the book. C programming.pdf gets. Okay. Shit. There is no any gets. Gets. Oh. What is f gets? I just want to use gets. Okay. Character, this thing operator, character s. Alright. I do not know what the heck it is, but yeah. Character gets character s. What the heck is it talking about? Oh, I think I understood some part of it. So we can do character gets character gets character a. I don't know why this star is going in. Just like this, yeah. Oh, no. Alright, so shit. That is what I was expecting. Gets char a. What'll happen? I do not know. Just undeclared identifier a. So okay, char a. This is identifier. So gets shit. Okay, shit, I'm just stuck in this gets. What the heck is that? Let me eat this first. Alright. Gets display. The gets function reads the character from input stream pointed by this to right. The standard input into any new line character is discarded. Null characters are written immediately after the last line and read into the array. So what if I copied this thing and paste it right in? Paste from here. Shit. Okay. That is the same thing. Yeah. I think I have to search in the web. And got from alright, get targets. Oh shit. This simple. It was so that simple. I was just doing this thing. Character string. I was just doing that, man. Character. It's A10. This one. And here I just write A, right? And puts the string. That is it. That is it. That is how it does, right? So I was learning it. Ah, it is here. Okay. I think it should work now. Parameter without types is only allowed in a function definition. What the heck? Oh, where is one? Oh, man. Get char gets right, gets. Yeah, if there is gets, then why I have to do char, man? Delete find r x gets. So clang, it may give any warning. Yeah, it'll give the warning because clang is great at giving warnings. So again, what is the warning? Implicit declaration of function gets is invalid in C99. Oh shit. Is it invalid in C99 or it is invalid in other C190 whatever? So I don't know whether it is invalid or not, but whatever it is, which is a faulty thing to do, response from there, let me make a new line. A new line again. Okay, that seems quite good now. Character A, character 10. Alright, a string below. Oh shit. Let's try get B. I think I have to do the same thing here. You wrote what kind of thing is that, man? So oh yeah. What? Oh shit. That's it. Okay. Now cat C copy. That is what I'm gonna do. Have I wrote the question yet? No, I haven't wrote the questions. Alright. Subsection. So what is the question? Question is write a program to read a character and a string using scanf and different. No. Write a program to read a string using gets and displays inputs. Write a program to get a string using text ttt using gets and display using puts text ttt puts function. Oh shit, man, what the heck. Alright, my food has not been finished yet, so there may be some slow things I'm gonna do. Alright. Write a program to turn the thing up here. Okay, LSD listing. LSD listing. Paste it here. After this one and semicolon the single. Okay. Yeah, that's great. Oh man. All right. Now I want the output. A space of 1 centimeter. Alright, I've not done this screenshot yet. Alright, screenshot. Right, screenshot of a region maybe. So I do it like that, step. Okay. A screenshot of region, I've already done that. So yeah. So copy all the PNG to documents, LaTeX documents, computer. (2021-06) 10/19/03/304 screenshot the PNG. What just happened is it deleted all of the previous screenshots. Oh man, what had happened just now? Now what is going to happen? I hadn't renamed it till now. Now I'm feeling guilty that I had to rename it. Right. Well, I have to rename it, man. B code 3.png. No, it has all of them. What the heck is happening? I cannot just understand what the heck is happening, because it is the same terminal where a simple Linux philosophy thing maybe should be from the 2021 dot. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it is okay, man. (304). Okay. Let's turn this off. Bear with me. Third question. Okay. Here include graphics, and width is going to be same 15 centimeters, and it is 2021. Third one. Okay. And the whatever it has been happening. Alright, that is cool. Well, this is the third question. This example illustrates the different format specifications. But if this is the example, why are you giving the questions right here? Man, these are the examples, then what is the significance of having questions? Alright. So, now what I do, subsection. Another question, write a program to calculate area circumference of a circle of radius r. Write a program area circle radius r. Okay. Oh man, this is too hot. But hot is not in the sense of heat or temperature, but in the sense that here is chilies. So my food is hot. Too hot. Typical Nepalese Tarai food. Okay, let me write the program now. Where I was writing the program. Alright, and then get. I'm just gonna write the same thing because yeah, there's not gonna make that difference. Okay. I have to initialize the variables. Radius. I'll just write whole radius. Circumference. Area. Pi is equal to 3.14. Not really int, float. Right, so tell the area, right? So the thing that I want is first printf. What is the radius of the circle? Okay, radius of the circle. So what is the radius of this scanf? The radius is it is float, right? Float. Okay, float, and store that in radius. So circumference. What is the formula of circumference? I just forgot. 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi. So 2 times pi times radius. So similarly, area is pi r squared. So pi times radius times radius. Oh shit! What the heck is happening? My food. Alright, so I have to print a new one. I'm just younger. So what I have to write here? Whatever. No, the area, the circumference. The circumference of the circle is given. Circle is float. Dot to float. I'm just specify. So circumference, young distance, area, area. I think this will work. So clang gets the C. That's oh shit. format specifies type float, but the argument has type double. Why? Oh, scanf. Oh, shit. Scanf should have this one right there, which is this end. We just forgotten oftentimes. Where the fuck is semicolon, man? Radius is pi r squared. So 22 by 7 into 7. So 7 is the easiest thing. And the area of circle 43.96. 22 by 7 into 7. 7 is going to cancel. 23 and 22 into 2, it is 44. Yeah, 44. Yeah, right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print the new line. I forgot to do that. So new line. Even here, new line. So yeah. Do the same thing. Clear. Get. Circle is 7. That's it. So print the screen. Now before printing the screen, cat get. That's it. Another copy. So print the screen. The reason, this thing right there. Okay. All right. So I need to specify the thing, right? Subsection. All right. So lst listing R5, paste it. Oh shit. I think the command didn't work. Okay, these two extra lines are not needed. Do it. Frame single. Okay. Appear magically. Okay, thank you for appearing. But the circumference is too large. Why the heck it is verbatim, so it is not, doing the stuffs correctly. But output will do the same if the variable name is different. If I do this, then it is magically done. But in the case of this thing, it didn't do that. Oh shit! It was a string, so yeah. Alright. Oh shit! I think there is a stone in my rice. Alright. Now output it. What the fuck is output? Output is B space. I need a B space of 1 centimeters. Include graphics. Yeah. Now the thing fails. Why? Because I haven't written the code here. Because I have not copied it. I think I have to do this. Elect and select and okay. Now after exiting Vim, what happens is I'm just going to resize this thing down. It is like an IDE basically. So yeah. Okay. include graphics. So copy. So the thing that I'm going to do is copy all the PNGs, not copy, move. 2021 PNG to here. So I think input graphics width is equal to 15 centimeters and 2021. There's the fourth one. Okay, save it. It is gonna magically appear here. It is not gonna do that because I just discontinued it. So LLP stock preview. Alright, it is going to magically appear now. Yeah. Radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. That's quite important. Pi r square. Oh shit. Write a program to calculate the volume of a sphere of radius r. Oh shit, man. It is similar thing. Why these people give the similar? Okay, radius of the circle. Circle. A sphere. So you want yeah, volume, and yeah, that's it. Alright, so this is what I want. I want volume, 4/3 pi r cubed once again. Okay. Pi radius. I think it is going to work, right? So clang, knock. I think okay. I'm going to do the same thing. Volume of the sphere, man, is sphere, not the circle. Seven. 1077. I don't know really if it is true or not. Let me do it. It is what is it? 22/7. 7 times 7 into 7 into 7. 107 it. 107. Right. So that's oh, okay. So cat gets .c wl copy. So it's gonna copy it in the clipboard. So yeah, copy into the clipboard, and I'm just gonna paste it here. So I've not alright, question number 5 I've not written. Subsection. Is it question number 4? Yeah, it is not the example, right? It's the question. So write a program to calculate the volume of sphere of radius r. Write the program calculate the volume volume of the sphere of radius r. So I'm going to do LST listings. F5, and what I'm going to do, and I'm going to just space it. So I don't know, I'm going to do a bit of these things here. And the other thing that I need is, and here frame. frame is single. Okay. Alright. Save it. Alright. Include HTTPS and say this is what. Now I have to screenshot the thing. Screenshot. Which one? Here is that right? This one. Okay. Print str reason. And this one here. Alright. Okay. That's enough. So I have to copy it. I have to move the same thing from 2021 to here. So it is the fifth one, right? So output include this space of 1 centimeters. Include graphics width should be 15 centimeters, and tab, last one. Save it. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Right, the program to the fucking shit. I have done 5 of them, but they are meaningful. Getting it away. Write a program to calculate a simple interest, read the value of PTR from the user. Oh shit, so we have to read the value of PTR from the user subsection. Alright, a program to calculate simple interest. Read the value of PT and R from the user. Okay, save it. And alright, so let me do it in the same file. Gets.c. Okay. So yeah. I just don't want anything. Principal P T PTR SI. Okay, it's okay. Okay, and print write the principal amount. I just forget to do the scanner. It is F P. So let me yank this. Okay, principal amount P T R. Principal amount it is not, it is the rate. Stay. And principal amount it is PT. T. What is T? Principal amount T is T. I don't know what the heck is that. Time, right? Time in year, in rupees, in rupees, in percent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate SI. SI is equal to P times P, it is capital, P times T times R, divide by 100, PTR by 100. So printf the simple interest is what? It is a float, right? 2-point float. PTR by 100. So SI. I think everything is okay. I don't know why the clang is not working, but I don't care really. Okay. What the heck? Okay. Shit. Semicolon. printf. Oh shit, man, why the error are not, it was just showing it good before. Oh yeah, I just messed it up with the update time, so because of that it happened. But yeah, whatever it is, it just happens sometimes. So yeah, so fine. It is just a 1200. Shit, what happened? Float p rupees time in year. Oh, I forgot. What the heck, in every scanf thing I just forgot to do this. I just forget to do this. I'm sorry, my English is kind of broken, so why the heck I forget that every time. I think it should work now. 1200 here, 12%. Oh, 172800. Oh, right. It should be like that. I really do not know about it. So 12, 12, 24, 24, 12. How much is it? So I do it in Python now. 12, 12, 12, 100, 1, 7, 12. Yeah, that's good. So let me do it again to take the screenshot. 1200, 12, 12. All right. So about cat gets .c to double copy to the clipboard, and I'm just gonna paste it here in LST listings. So after frame equal to single, I'm just gonna paste it from the clipboard. LST, I'm sorry, here's LST too. LST. Isn't it LST listings? LST listing. Oh. Sometimes the spelling error is gonna be, expensive. Alright. So I've not finished my food yet. Okay. So the screenshot is also to be taken. So let me take the screenshot. Real cool. This is my screenshot. This much is okay. Okay, output. And I need a view space. 1 centimeter. Okay, English graphics. Before that, I have to copy that. So MV. Yeah. So include graphics. Graphics. What the heck? Include graphics width is equal to traditional 15 centimeters. It's going to be the last one. Okay. Okay, that's it. Alright, it is working till now. How many problems are finished? 6. So there are 13 to go. That means 13 minus 6. How many? 6, 7, whatever it is. Write a program to the action y, evaluate the expression is equal to what the fuck. So subsection, write the into from x and from the user and evaluate the expression So v is equal to what is it? V is equal to x square plus y square. Y square. V is equal to x is equal to 1 minus 100 minus x by x. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Oh man, it is 85 degrees Celsius. What the heck? The same thing. The Z LaTeX is running in the background. I don't know why the heck it is running in the background. Oh shit. So it has become 2 hours of recording. You can see from here. The uptime is 2 hours 20 minutes and 50. Shit. So it's gonna take 3 or 4 hours to do the other things. I'm gonna complete lab 1, whatever it happens, right? Alright. You read values from x and y from the user and evaluate the expression this one. Okay. Let me do that here. Okay. So in the same file. Okay. So what are the variables to be made in this expression? Alright, so it should be float x, y, v, just these, right? Print f value of x it is going to be f and x. Just paste it. Y, right? So v is equal to x times x times x plus y times y plus 100 by x. Semicolon, I just forget the semicolon every time I do it. Printf. So the value of v is what is the value of v? It's percent point to f, and it's going to be b. Is it right? Semicolon, I just forget it every time I do it. This is it. So clang, what the heck is clang? Alright. Value of x 2, y 3, minus 33. So value of x is 2 on the 2 to the 2. So what the heck, I'm gonna do it in Python. So what is that? Power of 3 plus power of 32 and 100 divided by what is x? 2. That's good. Yeah. So what is it? Cat gets.c. I'm gonna copy. It's just gonna copy the whole part and just paste it right there. And here LST listing. So this is where the thing gonna become interesting here. Ocean frame is equal to single. Is it frame? I just forget it sometimes. Yeah, it is. I think I have to page break here. Page break. Because it is not looking so good. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a screenshot here. Screenshot of this thing, region. Which one is that? This one. Write the value of x and write the value of, okay, gets. No, that is copy. Now repeat the previous commands. What the heck? Where my cursor has gone? Okay, MB. Repeat the previous command of 2021 dot. Do the same thing. And here output. And these spaces needed of 1 centimeters, and now include graphics width is equal to 15 centimeters. And here, what it is gonna take? It's gonna take this thing too. Okay, there's that. Okay, now this is the 7th one, subsection 8th. 8th is write a program to read 4 integers from user and display mean of the numbers. Write a program to read 4 integers from the user and display. Write a program to read 4 integers from the user and display mean of the numbers. Mean of the numbers, right? Mean of the numbers. Alright. Mean of the numbers. Cool. 4 integers from the user and display mean of the numbers. Alright. So the thing is that it is an integer, whatever. Let me do the program right quick. This one is too bad for me because I'm just a beginner. I'm gonna do just the beginner stuff. So and then gets.c. Okay, 4 integers, right? A, B, C, D, or A, B, C, and D. So write the value of this cannot be changed. So the integers. So here is D, maybe D, and fx it's be A, it's be B. This is not needed. This is it, and V, yank it. Paste it real quick. Write the value of A, B, C, and paste it. D, C, B. Okay. Average. Not this one, but I'm just going to float average. Alright. So find out the average. Average is equal to A plus B plus C plus D divided by 4, right? This is average. Printf the average of the numbers is, it is 2-point float. Average. Average. Man. Average. Okay. Where the clang was. Gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 4. What? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 4. Man, this thing is... I think I have to specify the float thing here. Float. Let's compute that in float. Expected expression. What the heck is happening, man? I can't get this. Already, the thing here is, you know, it's already a float. Average is already a float. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 4 should be 4 to the 8. It should be 2 point something. But the point is just neglected here, which is the thing that I do not want. So what I'm gonna do to solve this thing, I do not know what I'm gonna do now. Oh shit, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do something, yeah. I'm gonna just convert everything into float. Would that be okay? Digite, and everything is integers. So average is already a float. Why the heck it is not happening? Gets A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Really? Maybe float A, float B, float C, float D, float... Well, I really don't know about this, but yeah, clang gets compiled to fail. Reference to no, it can't happen. So I think I have to record a macro qd float and kill it in a word. So q 5 times at the rate d. That is the power of Vim. Okay. All right. It cannot be done. Then what can be done? Shit. For integers from the user. So integers are to be import. You know, they are to be scanned. Yes, they are scanned. Let me do this. It is 3 times now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna yank find equal. So F here, I'm gonna paste it. Okay. I'm just eating a little bit. Okay, if I do this and write float here, I'm just comment this out. Expected expression. I think I'm missing something. Into float in C, into float in C. Oh, in the bracket, forgot to do this. So young surrounding bracket is not working. One, two, three, four. That's cool. So cat gets C will copy do get value of 8, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So still listing. I'm gonna just paste it out, and what I'm gonna do is frame is equal to single. Oh shit. Single. Okay, LST listings. Now output. I just need output now. Output the space is 1 centimeter. And what is output? Output is maybe a output is what? I'm not copied the image. MV 20. Oh, I'm not taking the screenshot at the first place. So screenshot, take it. The menu is horrible. The screenshot menu is horrible right now. So yeah. So dot. So it's gonna just work. Include graphics. Width is the traditional 15 centimeters. And the last one. Shit. The last one is this one. Alright. Okay, this one was the 8th question. So the 9th question is sub section. Write a program to read A, L, B and H of a cuboid and display its volume. Write a program to read A, L, B and H of a cuboid. L, B and H, it is not read A. L, B and H, right? So a program to read B and H of a cuboid and calculate its volume. L into B into H is this. Display its volume and calculate it. That is the same thing, but yeah. Oh shit. So display its volume. Okay. Let me do the same thing. Okay. And then so L, B and H, right? Okay. L, B and H into the value of L. Yeah, L. That's good. B, yeah, that's and that is in the place. I do not know this. L, B and H, these are not to be D, and these are to be float. So yeah, float. So all right, so average, this is not average, this is the volume of the cuboid is, I do not need it, df. The volume of the cuboid is what? Cuboid is L into B into H. Now to create a new line here. Is this correct? Yeah, let me run it. Put the clang command on. Value is 2, 3, and 4. 400 for 12. 400 for the 400 4 for the 12. 404 for the 12. 12 is 24. Yeah, that's correct. All right. So let me copy that. So cat get.c, copy, and it's just going to copy it in the clipboard, and it's going to do, we're going to do our work. Let's do listing and F5, and we're going to just save it to OK. Oh shit. Some notifications are there. Frame is equal to single. No, that's it. I think I have to take a screenshot now. Output is going to be space 1 centimeters. Include prefix width is equal to 15 centimeter, the traditional thing. And I'm gonna take the screenshot real quick. Okay, this is the screenshot. Okay, I have to copy it first. V, not copy, just dot. So it is the last one. Save it, and it should magically appear here. All right. A little bit of glitch. Percentage. What the heck? Find percentage, and I think I have to do it like this so that the code is a little bit readable. Okay, 4 problems are left. Alright, this output is, the formatted output is not so good, but yeah. However it is, I do not like to format it more than this. That is beautifully formatted. This one is also very cool. Exactly at the middle. And this cannot be achieved with the help of it. Can be achieved, but it is a little bit difficult. Right. But if they're word experts, something like that, then they're going to do it in seconds, but that is it. The other program that this thing is talking about, write a program to read the prices of 2 port pens. I've already done it. So it should be in, well, projects, C projects, and C lectures, maybe here. Quadratic equation, person. I think 2 pence, right? 2 pence. 2 pence.c. Yeah, I've already done this. So price after discount and everything. It is too long code. It is just, you know, same type and price of discounting 10%. 5 pence. So since number of copies F, unique number of copies, this is 5 already, so I don't think this is necessary according to the question. So that's it. So floats are this much, and number of copies, printf, what pen 1, pen 2, and price of the copy. Okay, number of copies are 5 copies, price of a copy, discounting is. So I think it's gonna go good. 2 pence dot c, 2 pence dot app. Okay. Oh shit, clang. 2 pence dot app. 12, 10, 10, copy 20 maybe. Copies you have. Oh shit, I didn't say to discount that, say to ask that how many copies you have. How many copies you have. This one is older one. There's the 2 pence that app. 2 pence, 2 pence. Oh shit, what it was doing. No, oh. 10 rupees to 15, and a copy is 20 maybe. After discounting is 118.75. It should be right. I do not think it is wrong. Let me run this again in 1 and 1, 6.65. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 5, 5, 6, 7, so 7, and it is deducting 10% discount. So 10% discount should be around 6.65, so that's cool. So I've just copied cat 2 pen dot c wl copy, that is just been copied here. Okay, 1.9 subsection. I'm just not written the question. Write a program, spelling right, program of 2 pence and 5 copies of same type, and 5 copies of same type, 5 copies of, and calculate price after discounting 10%, and calculate price after discounting 10%. Alright, so subsection there. I think 1R is extra here. LST listing, and paste it, and go to 18K here. It is quite big, a frame is equal to single, maybe wrap is equal to 2, maybe, I do not know. There's no any options like that. I know. So what can be done about this thing here? The font is to be made very small, but it's not a good thing to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do like this. It will just work. So number of copy price times, and this one, the discount is this one, and alright, that's it. Yeah, it works. output the space is 1 centimeter. Everything is to be done at okay, and input graphics. I suppose I've not taken this screenshot. Width is equal to 15, the traditional. Okay, now let's take a screenshot of this maybe reason. So yeah, right, this thing right there, termination character. Okay, now move the same thing that I'm gonna do to this directory and just paste it. So you can just do tab. That's the last one. Save it and it will magically appear here. Okay, it is not magic, but yeah, it appears. Okay, that's it. What is the price of right now? 1 Oh shit, this is not the good one. This is another one. This is not the good one, man. This one is the reason. Shit, I did the wrong one. So I have to repeat this thing. Dots and again. So change it up. Tab. Last one. Okay. Change it. Simple. Very simple. So all right. This is it. Real production work. I think I have to base bracket here. 1.10. Break. Okay. My neck is going to be this, whatever it is called. So, okay. Write a program to read the time given for C programming study a day on your home in hours, minutes, and seconds. Display the total time in seconds in 30 days. Oh shit, this is a challenging program. Okay, this is the most challenging program I've ever seen in my life. So that is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to attempt this question, which is very hard to do, yeah, basically, in my opinion. Okay, this question is, I do not know what to call it. And then, which is this one? Day time dot c. Okay. Include stdio dot h int main. Well, what is the int main? Int main is basically to read in seconds. So it should be integer, right? Or float. Let me do it float. It should be integer, but yeah, hours, float hours, minutes. That's RS, I'll give it. RS means sex. Wow, what a word. So yeah, hours, means sex, and display the total time in seconds in 30 days. Okay, so yeah, I have to do printf. Write time given for C programming, format of C programming in hours, minutes, and seconds. I knew that there is, this one is, oh shit. printf, man, printf. I didn't know why the heck it was showing this, but yeah, this is what I wanted, right, from a long time, that it was not giving me to do this, right? Okay, I can just zoom now. Printf, write a program in hours, minutes, and seconds. So scanf, so that it will be 1 float, 2 float, and 3 float. And here, what it'll do is, it'll just, and HRS mins, and what the heck is sex. Alright, man, what the heck? Printf, scanf, yeah, 3 hours, minutes, and seconds. Time is equal to, everything is to be in seconds. I think I have to add a variable here, time. So everything is in seconds, so time is going to be hours times 60 times 60 plus mins times 60 plus 60. That's cool, right? So time is printf. The time in 30 days is, alright, 30 times time. Okay. I don't know. Printf. Why I'm not writing the T? The shit. Fucking T. Data argument is not used. Oh, yeah. D C, or what is it? DC. It is F, not to F. Yeah. All right. So I thought it was too difficult, but yeah, it seems to be easier. Yeah. What is it? Daytime. So clang daytime .c open daytime.app daytime.app tool. No, 1 hour 60 minutes 0 seconds. Oh, I think that's good, but the other thing I forgot to mention is no, do it like this. The clang daytime.app 12 13 40. Now let me check that with the help of Python. So 12, I have to multiply this into 30, and 12 into 60 into 60 plus 12 13 into 60 plus 14. 1 3 2 1. What the heck? To 60 into 60 plus 13 into 60. Man, why it is not happening? 12 13 14 hours, minutes, and seconds. So there's some mistakes here. Hours, minutes, and seconds. Hours, minutes, and seconds. Hours into 60 into 60, minutes into 60 plus, oh shit, man, here's 60, it should be seconds. Alright, now I can do the clang command daytime out tool 13 14. That's great. I think I have to write seconds in the output a little bit better. Oh, where is that? Seconds. Do the same thing now. Daytime application 12, 13, 14. Alright, so that is it. Why is it like that? I think this is not understood by this thing, so let me omit this. Okay. I'm gonna copy. What was that? Daytime. Let's see. Copy. All right. LST listing. Okay. What the heck it is? Frame is in single. So the thing that I hate most is I write the same code over and over again, because look at that, it is just messing this stuff. Now it'll give a bunch of spaces, which I do not like. I have to find the way of doing that. Let me find it. In office space, symbols in LST listing, package LaTeX. I do not have the documentation of this thing, so I have to look at text exchange, which is very helpful to do. So string space is equal to false. I remembered it, I knew, but I will just write it here. So the string spaces equal to false. So that will just work, I think. Right. Okay, that's it. So the best thing about the tech community is that you can just get the thing done in just seconds if you do a small Google search or something like that. But in Word or all the things are going to be obsolete with times, and the things are going to change. With LaTeX, it is not going to change. Even if it changes, the changes are going to be bare minimum. And text LaTeX exchange, it is one of the biggest LaTeX exchange I've ever seen in the world. So that is just a buzzword, but yeah. Okay. What the heck? I've not written the question here. I didn't know. Section, which one is this? Write a program to read time given for C programming to study. Write a what to read the time given for C programming to study. C programming study. A day at your home. A day study. A day at your home. Day at your home. Day at your home. Day at your home. What the heck? Day at your home in hours, minutes, and seconds. In hours, minutes, and seconds. And display the total time. Display the total time in seconds. Total time in seconds in 30 days. In 30 days. Okay, the output, I've not done the screenshot, so let me screenshot this thing. This one. Man, I'm tired. It takes a millennium to do this. Graphics width, that's going to be the traditional 15 centimeters, and MB, the same thing over and over, which I do not like to do. The last one. Okay. This is the 11th one. 12th one. Program to read name and age of a person and display them. Okay, 12th one, I've done it. So subsection, that is a little bit of, headache out there. Subsection, what is the subsection? Subsection is just a question. Write a program to read name and age. Write the program to read name and age of a person and display them. Of a person and display them. Okay, display them. So here I've already done that. Person, maybe, yeah, person.c. So I'm just going to look at that. Character 20, scanf, whatever it is. And that's just a warning. Now we can ignore that successfully. So cat person.c, copy it to the clipboard and just paste to it the LST listing. F5, paste and Control V, and 13K. So here it is. What is that? I forgot. A frame is single, right? So the output here, the vertical space, I didn't give it space 1 centimeters. V space is just my tradition. This space is 1 centimeters. That's just one of the compulsory things in the world. So the stuff is like this, and it is doing the same thing. F. And the output is going to be these spaces already there. So include graphics. I'm not taking a screenshot. Width equal to 15 centimeter. And all right, so I'm tired of doing this thing in just one day. Okay, this should be the homework of 1 week, but I'm just doing it in 1 day. Yeah, but even not only this, another one is also there that I have to do. I think I'll do it tomorrow, day after tomorrow. There are many assignments are there which I have to complete with. Yeah, that's it. So include graphics. There's one. Let me screenshot that thing. Person app image. What's your name? Name is Darshan. Age is, yeah, I've just turned 18 plus, so that I can watch porn. Alright, that's it. That's a weird thing going on, but yeah, that's it. I'll do it. So a weird thing going on. I do not care about the weird thing. I'll just do it. So yeah. So move the same thing over and over again. And the last one. Pressing tab over and over. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Only one problem is left from the lab 1. There are lab 1 and lab 2, but yeah, lab 1 to 4 is already given here, and even tomorrow is the lecture of this same teacher. So okay, write a program to read a character and display it. This is the most hardest program that I've ever seen here. So subsection, write a program to read a character and display it. Okay, listings, LST listings, LST listing F5, Z frame is equal to single. I think I'll write the program here only, but I'll write here, it's easier. So nvim ship, yeah, nvim. It will not give the syntax highlighting. Main char.c include co.hash and to read a character. So I'm going to do int main. So yeah, printf write a character and open shit. Write a character. I think I could do this thing a new line, and scanf a character, but there should be a space, which is the most dangerous thing. Okay, many times it has given headex many times. So and a character, maybe a variable is to be initialized here, and there should be this one, and printf the character is person C. Okay, clang clang. Oh, clang clang. It is really clang. So carc c o carc not app image. So carc. So dot carc app image. Write a character A. The character is A. I think I have to do this in bash because that's better. Okay, so char app image. Write a character A. The character A. Shit, and then character C. FC. Let's do the same thing. Character app image. First clang. Clang. Character C. Character app image. So character app image. Write the character. The character is A. So yeah, I can just screenshot this. Where it went out. I have to remember this, man. TNT. That one arrow with oh. Okay, this one is what I need. All right. So double copy our cat. Okay, right. Let's see the copy. So yeah. Output. I do not know why the input has gone, but I'm gonna do this. Include graphics width is gonna be 15 centimeters, and why is it gone? Is it on? output is the space. I don't know why the thing is gone, but yeah, include graphics width is 15 centimeters. I think I've not copied it, so MB not copied, moved. Shit. Which one of these are there? Shit, man, I have to just look at it. Ranger. So this is not needed, so delete it, delete. So yeah, MV 2021 is, oh shit, here, and it is just shit, what happened? All the screenshots were gone. Gone. So shit. So this is the shit that happens when the screenshot, it just goes out of the way because of some lame commands that I enter. This is the sucking thing I've ever found in the history of computing. Okay, let's suck it. I have to do all the things over again. That's the very, shitty thing to do, but you have to do it. I have to do it because there's no any other options, right? Yeah, that's it. I think I have to recover it. Covering deleted files in Linux that was copied or written, copied. Oh, deleting, recovering, covering it files Linux deleted by RM. I do not know how to recover. Look at that. Deleted data recovery kit. Drug evolution, RM trashed utility, command, profile, init1, file the text, init1, shit man. Oh man, why I have not specified the trash bin in the commands. I have to run everything that I've run again, which is a pain, right? So this is a very big pain because I just run im-png and everything was out of the way. Although nothing can happen because rm command is dangerous. So the thing that only I can do is do all of the things again, and the thing that I'm going to do now is sudo pacman s rm trash. No, rm trash utility. I'll uninstall it. Shit. Running program. file umount read only. Action delete. Alright. Action delete. Delete. No, there is no any package. Action delete. Auto rec. Auto rec. No. Auto rec. Oh shit, man. It is giving me more headache than I've ever wanted to have. Why did I run that rm command? Shit. This is what it happens when I've not set up any trash system in my system. It is just sucking shit. What the fuck?